Looking to upgrade your car stereo without the headache of complicated wiring? The Scosche Aftermarket stereo wiring harness offers a direct connection to your factory stereo harness. No cutting, no splicing, just a clean, reliable fit. Designed to work seamlessly with your vehicle's existing wiring, this harness takes the guesswork out of installation and keeps your car's electrical system intact. What sets this harness apart? For starters, it's built with factory-quality wires and connectors, ensuring durability and consistent performance. The color-coded wires follow the EIA industry standard, making it easier than ever to match connections and avoid errors. With over 40 years of experience, Scosche has perfected the art of car stereo installation accessories, offering products that meet the highest standards of quality and reliability. When you choose Scosche, you're backed by a limited lifetime warranty and lifetime tech support, meaning expert help is just a call away whenever you need it. One thing to keep in mind, this harness is designed to connect directly to your factory stereo harness and is not compatible with factory amplified systems. It's an exact replica of your vehicle's original wiring harness, so it's best suited for those replacing a factory stereo with an aftermarket unit that doesn't require amplification. While some users have found it necessary to purchase additional harnesses for specific setups, the core product delivers exactly what it promises: a straightforward, plug-and-play wiring solution. If you're ready to simplify your car stereo upgrade and avoid the common pitfalls of wiring confusion, the Scosche Aftermarket stereo wiring harness is worth a look. It's the dependable, no-fuss way to get your new stereo up and running quickly, without compromising your vehicle's electrical system. Ready to make your stereo installation smoother? Try the Scosche wiring harness when you're ready and experience the difference that quality and ease of use can make. Whether you're a seasoned installer or a first-time DIYer, this harness offers the confidence and support you need to get the job done right.